Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Fruitake. So finally OnePlus has started rolling out the stable OxygenOS 16.0.1 update for OnePlus 12 series devices. As we already told you in our previous video, we explained why and when stable OxygenOS 16 update will be available for OnePlus 12R. Finally, yesterday OnePlus started rolling out the direct stable OxygenOS 16.0.1 update for Indian users. I was using OxygenOS 16 Open Beta version 201 and I received an incremental update of OxygenOS 16.0.1 v300 which is of 1.26 MB in the size. If you are still on the OxygenOS 15, you will get the full 6.4 GB OTA either via release candidate or via normal OTA. Today in this video we are going to review all the new changes of OxygenOS 16.0.1 and at the end I also discuss whether all the previous issues I reported from open beta version have been resolved or not. So watch this video till the end. Before we proceed, a small request to everyone, please like and hype this video as much as possible. It really motivates me to bring such content regularly for all of you. Now without further delay, let's get started. So my OnePlus 12R finally got updated to stable OxygenOS 16. Let's check out all the new changes. First in the about device section, as I was using open beta version from the last 1.5 months, the OTA section now shows the OxygenOS 16 version as 16.0.1 v300 without any beta tag because this is stable version. OxygenOS now has Android 16 history and the security patch is of latest November 2025. Since this is the new OxygenOS 16.0.1, it brings several changes over the previous OxygenOS 16 beta builds. So in this video, I will only discuss new features and the changes introduced in the stable version. We already covered every feature and the UI changes of the earlier OxygenOS 16 builds in the separate videos, like this detailed review of the game assistant and its new changes. This is dedicated video for new Flux themes and the Flux home screen customizations. This is the another review video of all the OxygenOS 16 AR features. And these are two videos where I discuss every small hidden features of OxygenOS 16 which no one shown in any of videos. You will find the links to these videos in the iCard and in video description. Now let's check out the new changes of this version. OnePlus has improved the app launch speed on the home screen. Yes, I noticed it. Apps opening, loading and closing is much faster now. It looks really cool with the new liquid flow animations. Next, OnePlus added an expandable clock for some themes that have large clock styles. So we can get the proper depth effect from the wallpaper without compromising the clock look on the lock screen. We can now rename the home screen widgets. Just long press on the widgets and select the rename option. You can give any name you want for truly personalized experience in OxygenOS 16. The launcher now supports stack widgets for any third-party application. Previously, it's only supported for OnePlus and some Google applications. Virus scanning in the phone manager is now much faster as compared to the previous OxygenOS 16 open beta version. The first scan may take 2 to 3 minutes, but subsequent scans takes only few seconds. In the phone manager, for the tools and the more option, we got the new network speed tester that tests the download and upload speed, but I found one bug with this that I will show in the bugs timeline of this video later. Next, OnePlus added the new auto straightening for supported images when you edit them. It works during the cropping and rotating the images, but remember auto straightening only activates when the image actually needs it. The ring style under display fingerprint animation has been refreshed as compared to previous version. It now shows the beautiful circular flowing water effect while unlocking. Full screen always on display now works properly as compared to the previous beta build. But remember to prevent the screen burn-in, full screen always on display stays only for few seconds, then you can wake it again with just single tap. The old AR Relight feature has been renamed to AR Portrait Glow. This feature brightens and glows up the faces in the portrait photos. We can clearly see a before and after effect of the images I am showing. We also get the slider setting to adjust the glow effect of these images. The biggest feature of OxygenOS 16.0.1 is the new Smart Link network engine, which is available under the mobile network setting. OnePlus is using several new technologies to improve network performance, like 360 surround antenna for the games, which minimizes the signal blockage from your hands with specially designed antennas, ensuring the smooth gameplay and the video playback. AI mobile network switcher intelligently selects the best network and seamlessly switches between the Wi-Fi and mobile data for stable connection. The new AI network booster directs the network resources where they are needed most for lag-free gaming, prioritizing the HD video streaming and smooth browsing. This engine automatically optimizes your network and shows the stats at the top of the setting page, like how many times browsing lag was optimized, how many minutes of lag were reduced, how many missed calls were prevented during gaming, and gaming lag reducer in the minutes. Right now, it's not showing any data on my OnePlus 12R, but after 12 to 15 hours of heavy usage, you will start seeing the stats like one I got on my OnePlus Nord 5, which is updated with the same OxygenOS 16 version. So these are the major new features and the changes of new OxygenOS 16.0.1. In the last OxygenOS 16 open beta video, we discussed several bugs. Let's see which ones are fixed and which still remain in this version. The first one is the bug of sudden lag after applying any new Flux theme is now resolved in this version. Device is running smoothly, app drawer applications icon display issue is fixed, delayed touch response of the application is resolved in this version. Also, the sudden issue of black wallpaper when we swipe back on the home screen after finishing some task is also resolved in this version. But some features and the bugs are still present in this version, like OnePlus still did not added right swipe setting to select Google Discover feed or shelf in the home screen setting. This is available for OnePlus Nord 5 OxygenOS 16 update. But you can follow this video tutorial to enable this feature using ADB method without root. Though device feels snappy as compared to the OxygenOS 15 and the old OxygenOS 16 beta version on my OnePlus 12R, it still suddenly faces the lag issue anytime while using device. Everything feels jittery, laggy with delayed touch response. Next issue is related to the network speed tester. It seems buggy. When I tested it on my OnePlus 12R, it's showing me poor download and upload speed. But when I did the same test on my OnePlus Nord 5 running with the same Wi-Fi network, it showed me the good network speed while upload speed is low on both of these devices. So these are the few bugs I noticed in this new update, except that everything seems good as compared to open beta version. Battery life of old open beta version on my OnePlus 12R is terrible. But as we got the new stable update, I will test this version battery and the performance and will release another video after 2 to 3 days of usage. So stay tuned to our channel. Please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.